Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to edit your WordPress site name on Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to Websites. And next to the WordPress website that you want to edit the site name for, click on WP Admin. And this way, you will automatically log into your WordPress dashboard. Now to edit your WordPress site name, simply go to Settings and click on General. And from this General Settings page, you will see your site title, your current one, and you can edit it. But before that, let's see my current site name live. This is it, Ben's tutorial blog. And let's change it, for example, to new site name. Click on Save Changes. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join .com Builders Academy from this link, academy.com.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. Click on Save Changes. And now if I refresh this page, I should see my new site name. If I don't see it, this means that your website uses saved cache on your browser, and you need to clear your website cache. To do it, from the dashboard page, click on Clear Cache. Confirm it like that and wait a moment. Cache cleaned successfully. Now when I refresh this page, I will see my new site name. And this is how to change your WordPress site name on Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.